So here's how to create Squarespace template and sell on Etsy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Squarespace template site. Now you have to click on the build your own template option at this page. Now click on the let's go option here. After that, here you have to name your template. After naming your template, hit on the next at the bottom of this page. First and the foremost step here is you have to select your introduction page. After selecting your introduction page, then select your product page here. While designing your template, select the each section accordingly that it can match the theme of your previous design. After selecting your page for the product section, now the time is to select your service section. Keep the design simple and natural as possible. Now the time is to select the about section. The about section describes your visitors about your site or your business. Now select the social section for your site. After selecting your social section, now the time is to you have to select the forms section as well. To customize footer for your template, go to the footer section, and from the footer section you have to select the design that you want to keep for your footer. As I aimed for the simple and unique approach, so I will select this template for my footer. After that, click on the next option at the bottom right corner. Now select the page that you want to show up on your template. Here, hit on the next again at this page. Then here from the color palette, you have to select the colors that accurately describe the brand's voice. Now again hit on the next at the bottom. From here you have to simply the style of your text that you want to add to your site. After that, click on the finish to save the changes. By this way you can design as many templates and then sell these templates on Etsy. You can list these templates on Etsy as digital products. Then you can paste the link of your template there. So that's how to create Squarespace templates and sell them on Etsy.